What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm at Universal Islands of Adventure, and let's be honest, this is my first time. I have one goal: VelociCoaster. Let's go, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, up close looks at VelociCoaster. It looks way cooler right here. What the, dude? That looks sick. Look where we made it. First ride of the day.
Shit! Second launch. Oh! Oh shit! Oh my gosh! Oh! No! No! Shit! Oh! Oh my God! Oh shit! Oh!
Oh my gosh, that was so worth it. The Mosasaurus roll was insane. I think we're gonna come back here later and try to do back row because we did the front row, but that was so worth it. That's gotta be my new number one. The theming, like the whole queue, just everything about it is insane. Next stop, Hogwarts, or Hogsmeade. So dumb. I don't think I've ever seen so many people in my life. Next ride. So much for this being looking good right now.
Come see the dragon.
Oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Oh, oh, whoa! Whoa! My. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, shit. What the? Oh, gosh. Whoa! Oh! What the? Oh, damn, you got it rough. Holy shit. Oh! Whoa! Oh shit! Shit!
Let's get out! We made it to the Great Hall!
Whoa! Hey!
Thanks, everybody. You were brilliant.
Holy shit!
You've shown great bravery. Feel free to return to Hogwarts anytime.
We just did Harry Potter Forbidden Journey. That shit was like really weird. Do not do that if you have motion sickness because we're gonna throw up. But like it's really, really well done. All right, I think we're gonna do Hagrid's now.
She wasn't even agreeing to it. And
Whoa! Off you go. Oh, shit. This is forbidden forest. Whoa! Whoa! Shit! What's up, boy? A little bit of it. They just don't know what they're doing. Oh, break. Oh, dude, chill. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Shit! Whoa! Counterfeit. Oh! Those points. I didn't think they'd take all of it to the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Oh, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Whoa! Oh! Power.
Oh shit! Whoa, 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 whoa!
I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo.
Oh!
Sorry.
Oh shit! Where are we going?
Magic.
What the?
Oh yeah.
Ah! Shit! I
That was
knew it had a
close.
drop.
Oh, you found my business.
Whoa! Holy shit! Whoa! Whoa! That was so fun. Bro, that was fun. Dude, that was such a good time. Hagrid's is, I'm not gonna lie, so much better than I ever thought it could have been. There's like 100 launches, it goes backwards, there's a drop track. Pause. Don't tell anyone I said that. The theming's insane. I mean, that 2.5 hour wait was terrible, but otherwise, like, it was so worth it, I think. I don't know where we're gonna go now. That was sick. I said we came for VelociCoaster, but I'm not gonna lie, like, Hagrid's may have been better. That shit was insane. I'm still astonished by how good that was. I actually hate drop towers, but Dr. Doom's Fearfall doesn't look that bad, so I'm excited. Oh shit! Oh my! Holy shit! Oh my god! I'm not a big fan of drop towers, but that's a great one. Like the cool like launch up, and then it's like the weightlessness. That's really sick. I'm not gonna lie, I might like drop towers now. But yeah, I think we're gonna go do Hulk. So let's go. Oh! Shit! Whoa! Oh! Oh! Oh, fucking hell! Oh, shit! Oh! Whoa! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, my! Oh! Why is it like the beach over here? I do not remember people saying that it was that intense. I blacked out so hard on the Cobra roll. That thing is so intense. It was really fun though. First ever sit down coaster, so that was fun. I think we're gonna go do VelociCoaster one more time, back row, then maybe call it. I don't know. I kind of want to do Spider-Man, but we'll see. Hey! Oh! Holy shit! Whoa! Oh my god, dude! Let's go! Oh, shit! What a deal! Wow! I just fucking died! Oh shit! Oh my god! Dude, we just did VelociCoaster 2 more times. I don't know how it gets better than that. Like, we kept moving back. The back row is ridiculous. It was so good. I had to buy a shirt. Oh my gosh! Like I came here with one goal, and that was try VelociCoaster, and I'm leaving now, and I cannot be happier. Oh my god! Like that was insane. You need to come to Universal. You have to ride VelociCoaster. The Mosasaurus roll. The second launch is ridiculous. Anyways, guys, it has been the best, like one of the best days. I'm so hyped. Got a long drive ahead of me. I'll see y'all later. Peace.